Yeah, CM, if somebody or my friends or any fresher engineer is looking to set their path in a right direction, saying that I should get landed in a job which I want and start my career, kickstart my career. So CMTI is the best way that can help you fetch a good job.
Good afternoon, Afnan.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, first of all, congratulations for your placement.
Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Yeah. So myself, Meenu, I'm from quality department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. Give an
Okay.
introduction about yourself, Afnan.
Yeah, this is Afnankhan. I basically belong from Rani Vinod. I have graduated from GM Institute of Technology, Davanagere, in the year 2021. I wanted to kickstart my career in civil field, but that requires some prerequisites such as the experience. So, my friends such as Pooja BM and Pooja SS suggested me to join CMTI to start my career.
Okay, how do you come to know about CMTI? Your friend has suggested.
Yeah. Many of my friends from GM Institute of Technology have already completed the course at CMTI and have got placed. And the recent placements of my two of my friends, that is the Pooja BM and Pooja SS, they told me that CMTI is a good platform. So I came to CMTI.
Or did you prefer the course, certified course?
Yeah. This certified course which I had applied for is the certificate on advanced construction management. So I was very fond and passionate about my civil career. So I went through all the details which CMT had shared me earlier before I was joining the CMTI. So I went through the syllabus. Uh, it was a very peculiar, particular syllabus which was restricting to the industry standards. So I felt that this course would help me get a good job.
Okay, you have learned lot of topics in certified course, right? So you can
Yes.
explain it in brief.
Yeah, the courses that I have been taught at CMTI are the methodologies, Google SketchUp classes, AutoCAD classes, QA/QC classes, and QS classes also. Apart from these regular the CACM course, we have also been uh, got a chance to explore ourselves to the international conference, national conference, which are going in and around Bangalore and in other state also. I had been to Chikballapur for master's trainings, which was for the Nirmiti Kendra engineers for about 2 weeks. And I have also visited the India Wood National Exhibition, which had been at BIC. Uh, it was a good exposure for me, growing my career and connecting with a lot of people.
Okay. You went for the site experience, all right. So
Yeah,
apart
yeah,
from your college studies, so how the site experience? So how did
yeah.
you feel? What are the things you have learned?
Yeah. Site executions, like there are many things which colleges lack today also. But CMTI is a great platform. We have been taken to layout marking. I had also been to the RMC plant. I got to know many of the things regarding the RMC plant, like how does an RMC plant work, what are the prerequisites, what are the standards, what are the licenses, and what are the quality controls that the RMC need to be uh, incorporated in the plant. So it was a good experience, site experience too.
Okay. So how was our trainers? How comfortable you was with the trainers?
Our trainers are totally flexible. They are completely down to earth. I can say that. They have a lot of experience in the industries. So I guess CMTI is providing a good opportunity for the budding engineers.
So yeah, you know about our CMTI app, right? So how much do you
Yeah.
like CMTI app?
Yeah, CMTI app has been very much helpful for me. Whenever I feel like I'm not getting a particular topic which I have been in the offline classes, like I can go through that particular topic many a times using the CMTI app. So CMTI app is just like a revision of the offline classes for me.
Okay, so yeah. So how was your CMTI staff's entire coordination? So how did they guide you? Did they support you well? So how
Yeah, yeah.
comfortable?
Right from the beginning, when I started inquiring about the CMTI app, it was you who had helped me get all the relevant information regarding the courses. The staff here is very good. The trainers are excellent, and the exposure what we are getting here is worth paying.
Thank you. That was thank you. And so would you like to refer CMTI to your friends?
Yeah, of course. I have been referred by my friends. I'll further refer my juniors or my friends too for this CACM course or CMTI.
Okay, what is Afnan Khan's final point of view? What do you want to tell to your juniors or upcoming who want to do CACM course? What do you want to tell Afnan?
Yeah, CM, if somebody or my friends or any fresher engineer is looking to set their path in a right direction, saying that I should get landed in a job which I want and start my career, kickstart my career. So CMTI is the best way that can help you fetch a good job.
Thank you so much for the wonderful feedback. All the best for your career. Thank
Thank
you.
you, man.